Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a review and demonstration of the GreenPan 8-inch Lima fry pan. I recently got this about 2 months ago as a replacement fry pan for my cookware set in my kitchen. And so what we'll do in this video is first I'll show you the pan up close, give you a general sense of what it looks like, kind of its functionality. Then I'll walk through just cooking eggs with it because that's basically all I do with this pan. If you have questions, comments, you can post below. Otherwise, there will be a link in the description below, and we'll get started. Okay, so this is the GreenPan 8-inch Lima fry pan. They've got several variations of this as far as like different lines and stuff, but this will be the Lima line. It's one of their cheaper lines. This is a ceramic non-stick pan. On the inner surface here, there's going to be a non-stick surface that's going to be ceramic coated, and then there's going to be this stainless steel kind of really nice looking silver handle. The silver handle is kind of I don't know what you describe it. There's like a slight pattern or texture to it, but it's very elegant looking. On the back of the pan, I don't know how you would describe it. It's just like this steel base that does not have any non-stick coating, obviously, and then the actual handle is kind of fused into the pan. There's not really any screws or anything like that. It's really nice. It's a really elegant, simple pan. I got this from TJ Maxx for about $12.99. However, if you check online, either on Amazon or GreenPan's website, you can get it for about like $19 to $21. But definitely check your local stores. So far, I've only used this for frying eggs in the morning. I was about to cook, so I want to cook some eggs with this. So what we'll do now is we'll set this up like I normally do, and I'll walk through how to cook eggs with this pan, but it's phenomenal for this purpose. Okay, so I have a traditional electric stove. I can't really speak to gas stoves and how well this pan performs on this, but what I generally do is I'll actually set the larger skillet to about like a 6 on this stove, and then put the pan directly onto the stove and let it heat up. And so what we'll do is we'll let this heat up a little bit, probably about like 2 to 3 minutes, and then after that, I'm gonna add some olive oil spray just as adding an additional fat to this. I have tried using this skillet without using any spray, and it does work phenomenally, but I think adding additional like olive oil or some cooking spray does help a little bit just to prevent kind of long-term stains on the pan. Additionally, the ceramic surface will decline in about like 2 years or so, and so this might actually protect it because it's not really as reliant on the non-stick surface on the pan. It does incorporate. So the pan is up to temperature at this point. What we're going to do is just spray about like 1.5 spritzes of olive oil into the pan. We'll use a spatula to make sure that it's evenly distributed. As you can tell, the non-stick surface works really well for this, so like the olive oil just kind of pools there, but really it's just to protect the pan in the long term. And then we're going to cook 1 egg. Usually in this pan, I'll actually cook 3 to 4 eggs. The only reason why I'm not doing that for this video is when I flip it, usually because I'm just cooking quickly, it becomes a mess. So we'll see how good my flipping skills is in this instance, but that's really that. One thing I mentioned is I always don't like runny light eggs, so I'm gonna just pop the yolk right here like this, so that it's not runny, because I think that's kind of gross. But people have their personal preferences. And then we're gonna be adding smoked paprika from Trader Joe's. This is great. You can get it for about $1.99 in their seasoning aisle. And it's this huge tub and it smells really good. So we'll let this sit for a little bit until it's ready to be flavored. Okay, so it's probably good. I don't want to burn this thing. So we'll see how good my flipping skills are today. I'm not the best of cooks, but there you go. So that's flipping it. The pan is really easy non-stick as far as that. We'll let this sit another 20 seconds or so and we'll take it off. You don't have to cook it too long just because the pan does work very well as far as conducting heat. And that's it. And so literally, that's it. As far as cleanup, it's super easy to clean this pan. As you can tell, there's some egg residue and stuff like that, but literally with the non-stick coating, even just with the spatula, it kind of scrapes up and frees itself. So what I usually do is I'll turn off the heat, put the pan on a different burner, let it cool off entirely, then I'll clean this with soap and water. So this is the Lima GreenPan, or the GreenPan 8-inch Lima fry pan. You can get it online on Amazon or their website for about $20. I really like it. It's great for frying eggs. I've been using it for about 2 months for this purpose, and it's great. For $12 that I got from TJ Maxx, I really can't complain with this pan. So if you have questions, comments, please post them below. Otherwise, that's the Lima fry pan. So thanks a lot, and please subscribe to my channel.